Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about topic markers. In Korean, there are 4 topic markers. These topic markers are used to indicate that a word is the topic of the sentence. They are placed after a noun or pronoun. The first thing to do is to divide the 4 markers into 2. The distinction is based on whether the subject or topic has a final consonant or not. So let's learn about un and e, which are used when the topic has a final consonant. The marker un is used when stating objective facts such as name, job, age, and so on, similar to how it is expressed in English. Another difference is the nuance distinction between un and e. To aid in understanding, I expressed the subject marker when referring to a person themselves and the topic marker when describing specific aspects of their personality, occupation, appearance, character, etc. Apart from these 2 principles, it is also acceptable to mix and use both markers. My name is Ji-soo.
제 이름은 지수예요.
Since the predicative expression is a be verb and she is stating her own name, the marker un is used. My name is Chae-young.
제 이름은 채영이에요.
The e in this sentence is not a topic marker. This is simply a tool that helps with pronunciation between words with a final consonant and a verb. I named this tool Pronunciation Helper. The flower is beautiful.
꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃은 예뻐요.
In the case of non-human entities, both sentences have the same meaning. That person has a lot of money.
그 사람은 돈이 많아요.
Please pay attention to the topic marker instead of the subject marker. When the topic marker e is used, it indicates the mention of an objective fact.
그 사람은 돈은 많아요.
This is when the topic marker un is used. In this case, there is a hidden meaning, often indicating a sarcastic or negative aspect. Let's simplify it further. It is more natural to use un when defining something and e when it is not the case. The usage of the nun and ga markers is similar to un and e respectively. They indicate the subject or topic when placed after words without a final consonant. However, the ga marker has an additional special function. It is used to emphasize the subject or topic. Let's review the nuance difference once again and explore the usage of the ga marker. That man is intelligent.
저 남자는 머리가 좋아요. 저 남자는 머리는 좋아요.
As a hidden meaning, it implies negative aspects such as being lazy, incompetent, or lacking in skills, despite being intelligent. Who will do the cleaning?
오늘 청소 누가 할래?
In interrogative sentences like this, the marker ga is commonly used as a response to the question. I will do it.
내가 할게.
So, let's practice a few examples. You are a gem of a friend.
너는 보석 같은 친구야. 너는 보석 같은 친구야.
The stars are beautiful.
별들이 아름다워요. 별들이 아름다워요.
The personality is very good.
성격은 매우 좋아. 성격은 매우 좋아.
But incompetent. Time heals everything.
시간은 모든 것을 치유해. 시간은 모든 것을 치유해. 시간은 모든 것을 치유해.
It's cold outside.
닫기 추워요. 닫기 추워요.
I'll come closer.
내가 다가갈게. 내가 다가갈게.
The clothes are beautiful.
옷이 예뻐요. 옷이 예뻐요.
Are you feeling confused? But don't worry. All the videos I create will include explanations, so if you practice gradually, you will come to understand.